Go. Okay, Boto's first five. Rebound by number 15, pass to number 16, 2 points. Number 4, trailing the ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim, libre, pero wala. Rebound by number 16, pass to number 26, steal by number 40, 21. Pass to number 9. Turnover. Up the ball. Number 15. Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Pinakasilalan sa number 13. 2 balls. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 to number 21. Pull up. Basket. Ramos. Binababa ang bola. Tumira ng 3. No good. By ball. Number 14 nagmamadali. Inantay yung kampe. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 21 fake, binalik. Nakuha ng number 9. Still by number 13, pass to number 15 to number 1, layup, nabitawan. Same ball. Molante. Pass to number 13. Nabitawan ulit. Turnover. Number 14, so with the play, tumira ng 3 points by number 13. Volante, binababa ang bola. Same ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Still the number 33. Pass lang to number 14. Libre. Gahulog. Ako ulit lang number 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 14 for 3. Lagag. Rebound by number 30. Pinakasakay Volante. Tumira ng trash. Air ball. Number 40, dribbling the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim sa number 9, no good. Dribble with number 16, pass to number 15. Number 15, nice pass sa ilalim sa number 13, 2 points. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 9, nagitawan, nakuha niya ulit. Pinasa number 14, nakalusot. Layup, no good. Dribble with number 16. Pass to number 26. Layup. 2 points for number 26. Number 14, setting the play. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 21, pull up. No good. Remember number 13, pass to Volante. Volante, behind the 5, pass to number 13, 2 points. Case 5. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4, to number 0. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinalik sa number 0, tumiran ng 3. No good. Dribble na number 11. Pass to number 24. Pinalik kay number 5. Number 5, sumalaksak. Layup, no good. Pero may foul. Foul number 2, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throw by number 5. First throw, basket. Two for 2 by number 5. Number 2, pass to number 16. To number 0. Binaligay number 8 by number 20. Pass to number 24. Binaligay number 5. Number 5 to number 24. Nakalusot. Turnover. Number 2, crossover. Pass to number 16. 14 seconds to shoot. Binaligay number 2. Pull up, no good. Put back by number 2. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 11. Still by number 8. Good. Still by number 2. Pass to number 8. Number 8, nagmamadali. Layup, no good. Rebound D. Number 5. Number 5, libreng ipe. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 8, tumira ng 3. Short, rebound by number 16. Put back, no good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 5. Number 5, nabitawan. Ako niya ulit. Pinasa number 11. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, pinakababang bola, nagmamadali, layup, no good. Number 5 ulit, sumalaksak. Offensive foul by number 8. Offensive foul number 5. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 2, second the play, pass to number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 0. Fake. 5 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number. Good. Number 5. Pass to number 11. Third drop, no good. Fast break to number 2. Nakuha niya. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 11. To number 5. Nababang bola. Pinasa sa lalim sa number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 8. Go. Dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 3 seconds to shoot. Timeout. And bye. Back to the ball game. 3 seconds to shoot. Good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 5. Number 5 nagmamadali. Nakalusot. No good pero may foul. Foul number 0. Number 0, first personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul, sorry. Seconds to shoot. Foul number 2. Number 2. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throw by number 16. First throw basket. No good. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 5. 20 seconds. No good. Put back by number 5. Foul number 4. First personal foul, third team foul. 13 seconds. Time remaining. First throw basket. Two photo by number 5. 13 seconds. Time remaining. Ten seconds. 5. End of the first quarter. Lolo. Back to the ball game, second quarter. Volante. Libre, 2 points. Volante, pull up, 2 points. 2 points by Volante. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 5. Number 14 for 3, no good, rebound D. Stepping on the line. 14 seconds, shot clock. Still the number 16, pass to number 1, Volante. Volante, pass to number 6. Nabitawan, nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 55, layup, basket count by number 55. 66 pala.
65.
Number 16, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus play to by number 55, no good. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 14 for 3, no good. Put back, no good. Put back by number 22, basket count. May sumabit pa. Foul number 16, second personal foul. ball. Bulante. Nakalusot. Nice pa sa ilalim. 8 seconds to shoot. Time out. Time out. Akbi. Back to the ball game. Up the ball. 7 seconds to shoot. Seven seconds to shoot. Pass to number 6. Tumira ng 3. Third ball. Put back by number 13. Put back by number 21. Offensive foul by number 21. Number 21, first personal foul. First team foul. Bulate. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Offensive foul by number 16. Number 16, second personal foul, third team foul. Nako. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 22. Number 6. Pass to number 9. Foul number 22. Pushing foul. Number 22. Warning for technical. Resume to Pacol. Number 22. No good. Number 40, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. To number 21, pull up, no good. Dribble by number 14. No good. Dribble from number 13 to number 1 to number 6. No good pa rin. Number 14 pinaalit. Block by number 30. Nakuha ni number 50. 2 points by number 14. Nice assist by number 18. Volante. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ilalim sa number 6. Libre. 2 points by number 6. Change 5. Number 9 to number 20. 2 points by number 2. Number 15 Ramos to number 2. Pinasa number 11, nakuha niya ulit. Pass to number 20, put back. 2 points by number 20. Five seconds to shoot. Block by number 2. Still by number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 2. Fake. Pass to number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Dribble by number 20. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Layup. No good. Dribble by number 11. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Binababa ang bola. Layup. Basket by number 26. Number 20. Pass to number 33. Pull up. No good. Dribble by number 15. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26 pull up. Basket. Time out. Time by. Back to the ball game. Number 9. Pass to number 20 to number 2. Number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 for 3. 3 points by number 9. Ramos dribbling the ball. Binawawa ang bola. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay number 11. Tumira ng 3. No good. Dribble by number 33. Number 33 nagmamadali. Pinasa lalim. Intercept by number 11. Pass to number 15. Turnover. Di nagkaibigan. Number 9. To number 20. Pinasa number 2. Pull up. 2 points by number 2. Number 2, pass to number 11. Binalik kay number 25. Number 15, Ramos to number 26. No good. Rebound by number 9, pass to number 2. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 2 to number 15. No good. Put back by number 2. No good pa din. Nakuha ni number 2. Binababa ang bola. Number 9 to number 33. Binalik kay number 9. Fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Layup. 2 points. Well done. Timeout. Acme. Both teams wala ng timeout. Back to the ball game. 4 to 5 seconds. Time remaining. Seconds. Turnover. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Number 2 pull up. 2 points by number 2. 25 seconds. Still by number 33. Intercept by number 2. Same ball. Wala na. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 second shot clock. Number 33 pull up. Basket. Change favor na tayo. Lamang na ang M-by. 5 seconds. End of the second quarter.
Ang galing mo!
Dito ako. Di ba hindi mo kasama sa sugar? Kasama ba?
Alam mo,
Hindi, kasi
puro
dead
sa akin,
yun.
doon, tatanong ako sa'yo, Bulgan.
Baka yung sabi mo yung si Jack galit. Tinatanong.
Oh, yan. Inban mo, kasama ko yun.
Hindi, dead ball dito. Kaya hindi. Mas naman na gawin niya pa. Magkakalam ko lang ha.
Uusap ba kayo eh?
Kaya ako nagtatanong kasi. Tatanong ko para pag nag-take. Bakit?
Back to the ball game, third quarter.
They missed.
Number 21, pass to number 14. Nice pass sa ilalim. Nilabas. 14 seconds to shoot. Still by number 13. Pass ball to number 1, Volante.
Pero doon sa ano yan, sa Joaquin.
Coaster basket. Number 14, Aryan. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 21. Nilaligay number 22 to number 21. Pull up. Basket ka by number 21. Foul number 5, 55. Foul number 5. First foul na.
55 pinaka-shoot. 5 lang pala.
First personal, second personal foul number 5. First team foul. Foul number 29, 21. Number 21, third personal foul. Second team foul. Third. Turnover. Number 1 Volante, pinasalalim sa number 13. Binalik ka number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pa sa ilalim. Pero tinawagan na rin, traveling violation. Sabro. Number 40. Pass to number 22. Pinasa number 55 to number 21. Pull up, no good. Foot block by number 33, no good pa din. Block by number 16.
Tail ni 21.
Volante, layup, 2 points. By Volante.
Kaya titol lang galing eh. Galing ko kay 30.
Galing kay 30.
Ito lang galing.
Saan?
Pass to number 26. Two balls for number 14.
Nakasip ba yung malaki na? 22?
Yan lamang yung kabila. Saka lang sila lumabang. Galing 20, tayo ba? 27. 28.
Tapos sila ng half time. Ay, galing
Ay, oo.
29 na sila.
29.
Sabret. Foul number 16, third personal foul. Second team foul. Third personal foul. No good. Tingnan mo namin to pass to number 1, Volante. Nagmamadali. Volante. Side shoot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Same ball. Number 26 pull up. No good. Offensive rebound by number 13, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 21. Foul number 26. First personal foul, third team foul. Turnover. Volante, getting the play, pass to number 11, tumira ng 3. 3 points by number 11. Deadlock ulit ang ating score. Number 14 pass to number 20. To number 45. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 20. Sumalaksak. Block by number 2. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 1. Volante. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 55. Number 40. Pass to number 21. Binigay number 33. To number 21. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 26. King Sabret. Block by number 2. Pass to number 1, Volante, libre, 2 points. Number 14, nasa gitna sa number 33. 2 points by number 33. Volante. 12 seconds to shoot. Still by number 33. Pass to number 14. To number 2. 2 points by number 2. Sabret. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul number 14. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Still the number 2. Number 9, setting the play, pass to number 14. To number 33, Tumero ng 3. No good, rebound by number 16. Fast break to number 11. Zapati for 3, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, side shoot. Pinaas to number 2, no good. Number 9, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 1, Volante. Foul number 14. Number 14, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sabrep. Ramos. Pass number 20, binalik kay Ramos. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pass number 21. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalik kay number 21. 2 points for number 21. Number 15. Playing the ball. Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 2. Number 1, nagmamadali. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 1, Volante. Volante. Pull up. 2 points by number 1.
Meron doon eh.
Parang magandang drugs. Bulante.
10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 1.
Wala nga, walang kasama 6. Wala nga. First.
Number 1, first personal foul. 4, team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 21. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass back to number 1, Volante. Libre. Layup. 2 points by Volante. 35 seconds time remaining. 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 16. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 21. 10 seconds. Penalty.
16.
Wala na oras. 8 seconds ba yan? Wala ko 0-0. Sabi ko yung Manila.
Nakikita na yung ginagawa natin.
Wala ako kasi ng
Ayun. 8 seconds remaining. Five, end of the third quarter.
Sunod ba ito, Abanti?
Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter. Number 24, pass to number 1, Volante, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24, 10 seconds to shoot, binalik kay Volante. Pinasa sa lalim sa number 2, pull up, no good, rebound by number 4. Rebound by number 1, Volante, naipitawan, nakuha ng number 2, pass to number 26. Number 26, pinasa sa lalim sa number 13. Binalik kay number 24 sa labas. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass na Volante. 5 seconds to shoot. Volante for 3. 3 points by Volante. Lamang na ulit ng Akdi ng dalawa. Number 33 sa gitna. Dribbling the ball. Pull up, no good. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. Number 22. 5 seconds. Foul number 4. Second personal foul number 4. First team foul. Number 1 Volante, pass to number 24. Transfer lalim sa number 30. Nilabas kay number 24. Sa number 13, layup, no good. Put back by number 13, no good pa din. Number 14, pass to number 2. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 1, Volante. Naagaw ni. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Foul number 2. Number 2, second personal foul, first team foul. Foul number 26.
Second.
Number 26, second personal foul, second team foul. Knockout play.
Number 33.
22 nakashoot.
33. 33. Same ball. Jump ball. Foul number 33. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Shot break. Number 14 with the ball, taking the play. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 14 for 3, no good. Nakuha niya. Number 2. Pass break. Stay by number 14. Pass to number 4 to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 14. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass break to number 1. Volante. Libre. 2 points. Papasay sa kalamangan ng Tembay. 51-50 ang ating score. Magagawan. Foul number 26. Number 26, third personal foul. Third team foul.
Maya sir, pag pumasok.
First throw, no good.
Ayan na yun. Yan na yung pag-third, di ba?
Sabrek, second throw basket by number 21. Still by number 21. Timeout, Abdi.
Out of box.
Steve yun.
number 26. Number 26, malaksak, layup, no good. Nakuha niya ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Number
Raya po. Baka nalilimot. Ito naman dito.
Ano naman sila tali? Tali naman.
turnover.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Emma.
Ano daw galing saan?
Basta ako tinutulog. Galing ng 48.
51 lang yan, 51.
Galing
Kanina.
48 na stress.
Pagkatapos ng third, 51-50.
Isa lang yung sumot na free throw.
Isa lang sumot eh.
Nalikaw niya dapat doon, no? Kaya lang outside.
Back to the ball game.
Free throw si 21. Isa lang sumot.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. No good. Rebound by number 15, Ramos. Pass to number 1, Bonate. Layup. 2 points by number 1. Offensive foul by number 14. Number 14, Sam. Number 14, third personal foul. Third team foul. $14 seconds shot clock. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 20, pull up, 2 points by number 20. Lamang na ulit ang Akdi. Number 2, binababa ang bola. Pinasa number 55. Pinasa kita sa number 33. Foul number 20. Number 20, first personal foul. 40 foul. Sub-rep. Warning for penalty. Akdi. Blocked by number 16. Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 shot clock. Number 33, pull up, no good. Rebound ni number 55. Binalikan number 33. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by number 16. Number 16, pinasa kay number 5. Nakalusot. Layup. No good. Pero may foul. Foul number 33. Second personal foul. 40 foul. Warning for penalty. First throw basket. Second throw, 2 by number 5. Number 55, pinababa ang bola. Nakalusot, layup, no good. Rebound by number 33. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 5. Number 5, third personal foul. Penalty.
Nagbabantay ka ng ismo pero mali ka po.
First throw, basket.
Diba?
2-14 by number 33. Stop rep. Last 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 13. Pass to number 5. Number 5 to number 16. Layup. 2 points by number 16. 16 by number 13. Stepping on the line. Number 2. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 14 for 3. No good. Put back by number 22. No good pa din. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Layup. 2 points by number 15. Last 3 minutes. Time remaining. Penalty rep. Number 14. Fourth personal foul. Warning for Gradway. Stop rep. Number 2, ng pamadali. Nagkahanap ng mawawasahan. Nasa number 14. Number 14, layup. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 2. Number 2, third personal foul, penalty. First throw, no good.
Gising. Puyat ka. Ang ginawa mo? Pwede.
Kuya tayo din eh.
Nag-inom nga no? Habang nag-edit.
Wala to. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15 to number 2 sa gitna. No good. Dribble by number 14. Number 14, nagpamadali. Pinapaba bola. Dumiretso. Layup, no good. Put back by number 33. No good pa din. Nakuha ni number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. No good pa din. Dribble by number 15.
Pero boses na announcer natin ha. Maganda yung mic eh.
seconds to shoot. Pass to number 1, Volante. Steal by number 20. Pass to number 21, to number 33. Libre. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds. Traveling violation. Turnover. Sabrek. Timeout. Eggbay.
Nakakantok pag walang chinichidya.
Hindi ka bumili. Nabili ka na.
Ayan na. May second na. Ayan na.
Apat na lang.
Awarding back first, ano?
Mamaya.
Nataas yan, no?
Taas ito?
Itatanong lang.
Hindi. After ng ano, championship.
Ano sa'yo? Ano yung pambili?
Back to the ball game. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds in the fourth and final quarter.
May aso.
Number 40. Number 1 bola, pass to number 20, binigay kay number 40. Number 14, sumalaksak, layup, no good. Rebound by number 5. Nag-aagawan, nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 2, pull up, no good. Rebound by number 14 ulit. Pinasa ulit kay number 2, pull up, 2 points by number 2. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Still ulit ni number 21. Dead lang na 61 all ang ating score. Number 1 Volante. Nagmamadali. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 33. Last 53 seconds.
Pagod na yan. Dami niya rito.
Ano, baka magkakasal. Luko, baka tamaan yung ano natin, matitignan yung ano. Nakaupo ka rito sa harap. Nakaupo. Diyan ka.
Back to the ball game. Last 52 seconds. All 61 ang ating score. Last 52 seconds. Number 50. Pass to number 5 Penalik. Pinalik kay Volante. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabitawan. Nakuha ulit ni Volante. Pass to number 13. Steal by number 20. Pass to number 21. Natay mga pin. Pinasa kay number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 20. Foul.
Sino ba?
55 seconds.
Number 25, second personal foul, 55. Number 55, second personal foul. Penalty, sub-rep. Last 15 seconds. Both teams, tag-isang timeout.
Social eh.
First throw no good. Second throw, no good pa din. Rebound by number foul, number 16. Number 16, fourth personal foul, warning for graduate. Last 12 seconds.
Time out kayo, sir. Sir, time out. Time out. Time out.
First throw. Timeout. Active. Wala nang timeout ang active. Isa pa sa 10 by. Back to the ball game. Last 12 seconds.
Bilisan na tres. Quick try.
Last 10 seconds. Still by number 14. And Mr. Boanger, congratulations to Ebay for
For winning third place. Nice game po, nice game. Nice game po, nice game.
Ibang tip naman. Ito siya best player. Sila.
tawag siya, no? Si defensive player, Dakula.
Defensive player, number 16, Dakula. Punta ko sa gitna for picture. Number 16, Dakula. Both teams, 9 minutes warm up.
Pero mo na ang bola. Mamaya ko ulit. Tapos, hindi natin kagad. Backdrop, lagay mo hanggang dito. Ha? Para yung kukuha dito. Para sa ano, ha? Backdrop hanggang dito. Kukuha. Dito.